them girl I don't love no man. Looking at you, you appear like she a lie. Over no girl, you know me not die. Enough man get broken heart and end up a cry.
You better not turn to Jamaica for 6 hours. That me a blood clot to the. Cause anyway they for St. Mary, they pussy me have people at St. Mary. Batty girl. For Spanish town they make me even worse. So I'm fine you. Tough some shot in you, so nobody feel like you're gonna get to here.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. Speak up on yourself. Welcome to Linefoot TV. Anyone there, nothing but love and respect, guidance and protection. Brand new week, enough people don't live to see it. That's why we have to give thanks to life every time. Coming up in this episode, you don't know, we have a bad individual. I send out some serious threat to a female one I'm ex, Zine. Yes, man, not a good look after what happened to killing them kill. And the next day him pronounce. Now the brother do the same thing. I branded some gun and I send threats and prepare for police, anybody. Not a good look, very damaging, very damaging. Me personally in the life we see that. So we're gonna run through that. I'm also gonna run through a song from an artist named Sabas. Zine, a song named What Is Love. And it relates to the vlog where we're gonna cover on the topic of the brother where I send the threat. Zine, we say as a relationship now where just walk away, you know. Don't do nothing stupid and end up regret after. Think twice before you make that choice. But before we get into the vlog, you don't know my viewers and subscribers. I look at video in the name Days Away Out. I beg you please check it out and let me know what you think. Run up some views, panic man. And so I say positivity, even though I know on the love dwell on negativity. But check it out and let me know what you think. Saying, then I kick off the vlog.
Youths, put down the guns them now. Don't throw your life away. There is a way out.
Yes, no man, for true. We're going to leave the link in the comment section when you can go watch it. Say it and let me know. Leave some feedback, please, man. Yeah, man. It means a lot. But anyway, I don't know, the brother gone viral, like him relationship broke down. The Empress left him and thing, you know what I mean? And the man do something stupid for me, stupid. Yeah, man, with no disrespect, but this is not a wise move for him, you know what I mean? Stupid move, because we see what happened to killing them kill the other day. I mean, right now the police them must have them video and people are going to show him out. So let's see how that one is going to turn out. But my advice, everything we are saying, do brother, please refrain from doing so. Alright.
You see me say every day, pussy me just count down next week Tuesday. So when next week Tuesday come, just watch and see. Pussy me did a live and living color for you. Blood clot, watch and see. See me I make sure tell you the blood clot come at airport with big Zan in gun pussy. Because you know you're not come pussy, you see my brown in here, so you saw she brown. Whole heap of chip there on you. Pussy, you know you're not come at blood clot airport with. Pussy, you know you're not come at airport with big pussy. But make sure so big can buy a new gun. Because me have blood clot, one blood clot clip. Load in a young big set. So make sure so big come with him blood clot gun come here. And pussy, well, if you want to send police come, you send police come, pussy. And empty my 14 in the end and load up again. And empty 14 more in the end. You hear that? Pussy. So you can send them come pussy because you must feel like I'm prepare for them too. That's blood clot, make me glimpse nobody for your pussy. Your daughter and no blood clot body for you. Anyway, a blood clot Spanish town and you say pussy. And make me know, make sure I go up on your blood clot profile and screenshot everybody for you so me know. From blood clot sitting there. Facebook. I mean a blood clot upload the video them when I make blood clot with you and post them on your Facebook picture. Because suck your mama. Feel like you can't disrespect man. I mean I show you disrespect, but pussy when I see you. You better cover up your blood clot face with the whole lion come here. Last piece of iron in night. Suck your mama. Just want you hurry up and go on a foreign man and feel like everybody safe for you. You see me? That more you do hurry up and go on a foreign. I'm just take time go and profile out everybody. Pussy and kill them. All of them one by one. And we see who have a blood clot in here. Watch and see. Remember, say 6 months ago and come back for pussy all yeah. Better in time I come back, you better not turn to Jamaica for 6 hours. That me a blood clot to the. Because anyway, they for St. Mary, they pussy me have people at St. Mary. Batty girl. For Spanish town, they make you even worse. So I'm fine you. Tough some shot in you, so nobody feel like you're going to get to here. Pussy and you can't go tell a new man to. I want him forward with you and give her strength so I can tough some in a blood clot face to here. I introduce him to come say, I can go tell him your pussy hole that I want you to do. That is sweetest part. I go tell him I want the 200 to come pussy. I empty me clip in the 200 pussy hole. Wait. I'm going to go for my bum, but I'm not even listening nothing. Just go and do your blood clotting pussy, but more you know this. Anywhere pussy hole, me see you now, anybody blood clot for your pussy, them I go ball and you go hear. Pussy hole, suck your mama.
Youths, put down the guns them now. Don't throw your life away. There is a way out, some way, somehow. Youths.
John Star, it's not a nice thing to hear, you know what I mean? Brother, if you hear this, I beg you, please refrain, retract from doing a plan where you say you plan for do. Don't make the devil ride there, brother. I beg you, please. Lionfoot, I beg you, please. The man of peace, I beg you, please. Zine, not look like a relationship broke down sour or the girl left him. Apparently and clearly, and that's what happened, because Biggs come like she gone to Biggs now. And it sound like Biggs is also a man with inner badness, because he must say Biggs have him gone. Man all threatened for say, go tell the police them because he must prepare for the police them. You see me, so it look like him don't make up his mind for a do or die situation. We all see what happened to killing them kill. Him never last a day after him come up viral. And threaten police, threaten him friend them, threaten him family them. Now this brother you threatening the girl, family them. I don't think it's right. And it's not nice. We say stop the violence against women. You see me? Brother, me I beg you, please, me I beg you, don't do it. In the name of the Almighty, I beg you, please, I rebuke the devil from, rebuke the devil out of your brain and your thoughts. Think positive, there's a way out. That's what I say, crime and violence is not the way. Stop the violence against women. If you leave you, move on. There's other women out there. You're going to go find a better woman who deserve you, you know what I mean? John Star, the youth them in Jamaica like them now think only one way. You see me, there's a way out. You know? But any of my viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think. Brother, I beg you, please don't do that. Alright? All when I get her house and land, car and van, if she move on to her next man, make she go on, brother. You can get back all of those stuff. It's vanity. You see me, I say, I know you might feel hurt and upset and down and, but don't do that, brother. Please, I beg you. That way you do can viral and it's not wise. Right now, I know the law men them are going to look for you. You see me, you're threatening our family them. Maybe she have bad man family them who are going to look for you. Brother, life is there to live. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Anybody when know the general and I watch a vlog, yeah, send it to him, please. Make him know Lionfoot and talk to him. You see me, one a reason with him, man. We can change a life, save a life, Yeah, man, that's how we do it over here, the man of peace. But anyway, we're going to run through that song now from Sabas. What is Love? Zine, and it's a real song where people can relate. Zine, big up yourself, Sabas.
Babes.
What, babes? You know, some day I just come out of the shower now. Yeah, I'm there. Just a chill and I watch TV. So what time you come home?
I come home late, man.
Okay. Later I'm going to up something nice. Yeah.
John, my viewers and subscribers, and also live setup. You saw man dangerous too, but I just live settings. So Sabas call him woman and say, yo, I check up on her and she ask him, what time I come home? He say, I come home late. And who that you sit down beside her in the house? Boner man. You see me? In the house with buckle in him hand. Problem, trouble. Jaja.
Yeah. In life, you have to know what you want. Cause some of them girls, dog, them not easy.
So basically, what Sabas is saying, the girl don't know what she want, because I give her everything, and she still like disrespect him. You see me? Yeah, man. What is love?
What is love? What is love? What is love? What is love? What is love? What is love? You better don't fall in love.
What is love? For me, love is a nice thing, a nice feeling. But you have to know how to love. Don't fall in love too quick, because you will end up getting hurt. Take time to know the person, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. And the love will grow. Is it?
What is love? What is love?
Yes, man, Sabas, I make you know say you better stand in love, you know. I don't know if Sabas go through the experience of it true, but a really song, people can relate, is it?
Some of them gyal don't love no man. Looking at you appear like she a lie. Over no gyal, you know me not die. Enough man get broken heart and end up a cry.
People more to listen to the words of what Sabas are saying. Some of them gyal don't love no man, them a use that. Looking at them lie, a be a lie, them a tell you some giant lie, you see me? Some big fat lie, you see me? Over no gyal him not die. Enough man get broken heart and a cry. Just like the brother in the vlog earlier, where I checked the woman with the gun, threatening the woman, you see me? I want to support violence against women, but Sabas I make you know say I'm not fall in love, I'm stand in love, you know. You see me, I say, nah, kill himself over no girl, I kill no woman. Big up Sabas, I love that. If the relationship not work, move on.
Your heart of it tough, your heart of it pure. Of 100 gal and me still want more. Gal from Linstead, gal from Portmore. Girlfriend of course me say me is a little poor.
I mean, Sabas, I love the mindset. Your heart of it tough, your heart of it pure. 100 gal him have and him still want more. You see me, girls from Linstead, girls from Portmore. Him girlfriend of course him say he's a little whore. So Sabas I make you know say yo, all when him gal give him bun in them, now kill himself and kill her and them and move on. More gal out there. More fish out to sea, you see me? Well, wipe on the fish. But anyway, big up yourself, Sabas. Yes, I love the mentality, the mindset. And this the man for hear and pray and follow. Take the advice of Sabas.
Love. What is love? What is love? You better don't fall in love.
As I said before, what is love? Love is a nice thing. It's nice to be loved and give love when I know the person love and appreciate and respect you. Yeah, man.
What is love? 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 You better stand in love.
I mean, Sabas, go on do your thing and hear the king, brother. You must bust one day. You see me? Nobody tell you say you can't do it. You see me I say? Straight.
Cause when me break your heart like a bullet. If I goal you pray a gold digger. Things when me see them do it enough nigga. Good thing man a gal is just like silver.
Woman will break your heart like bulla. Enough of them are gold digger. Enough things me see them do to some real nigga. I look at things some man a gal is like silver. Big up yourself, silver. Why yes, Sabas. Yeah, chop. Is it?
I thank Father God, him a the life giver. You say you love me, you is a liar. You know see your man hot, just like fire. Anywhere me go, me the girls admire.
So Sabas I make you know say him appreciate him life and him love him life, you know, and many women out there and them a gals, you know. Him not take him life or him not take no woman life. If she cheat on him, or when him get her house and land him and move on. You see me? The man say, yo, you see woman hot like fire. You see it? Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think of the song. And I'm going to leave the link so you can go watch the song and the video in full with no interruption. And give the artist some support. Say, big up yourself, Sabas. Yeah, man.
So let me know if you're interested. What do you think about it? Interested.
Oh, go on and also.
Sorry, bossy. And she never tell me the right thing, bossy.
But now man and wife got caught and spot. Someone got shot. I wonder who. Further on in the news. In life, gratitude is a must. And Sabas reached out to me last night. Out on WhatsApp group, asked me for me sing the song Who Feels It Knows. And I tell him, say, yeah man. And I just go check out the music straight away. And I say, I give him a strength. Because I saw it going on strength for strength. And I feel good for know someone Who Feels It Knows. I uplift people up to this day. You see it? Who Feels It Knows I go get the justice one day. 5 years now. But we give thanks to life same way, you know. Yeah man. Who Feels It Knows. Thank you for your continuous support. Don't forget to like and share the content. Subscribe and click the bell. And remember, send the video to the brother where I send the chat. And you don't know. Sabas. Big up yourself. Lion foot, you know. See you on the next vlog. Massive respect.
Love. What is love? What is love? You better don't fall in love.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.